Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Twins podcast, where learning English feels easy, fun, and friendly.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
So, Emma, today's topic is something super useful.
Oh yes, today we're talking about how to talk on the phone in English.
This is a big one. Many English learners tell us they get nervous when they have to speak on the phone.
Totally, because on the phone, you can't see the person's face or body language. You only hear their voice.
Exactly. And that makes it harder to understand tone, emotion, or meaning sometimes.
But don't worry, friends. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to handle phone conversations step by step, like a pro.
All right, let's start from the beginning. How to answer the phone.
The classic start. So, Jack, how do you usually answer a call?
Well, if it's a friend, I might just say, "Hey, what's up?" Or, "Hi, how are you?"
That's friendly and casual. But if it's for work or a formal situation, you'd say something like, "Good morning, this is Jack speaking."
Exactly. Let's make that a little practice moment.
Great idea. Okay, friends, repeat after me. Good morning, this is Emma speaking.
Good afternoon. This is Jack.
See, simple, polite, and professional.
Now, what about when you're the one calling someone else? How do you start?
That's where many learners get shy, but it's easy once you know the pattern.
Right. Usually, you first greet and then introduce yourself.
So you can say, "Hello, may I speak to Mr. Brown, please? This is Emma from ABC Company."
That's perfect for a formal call.
And for casual calls, maybe to a friend, you can say, "Hey, is Tom there?" Or, "Hi, it's Emma. How are you?"
Exactly. The key is politeness and clarity. Always say who you are, especially if the other person might not recognize your voice.
Okay, let's make a small role play example.
Ooh, fun. I'll be the receptionist and you'll be the caller.
Got it. Let's go. Ring ring.
Good morning. ABC office. Jack speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, may I speak to Mr. Brown, please? This is Emma from Green Tech.
Certainly, Miss Emma. Please hold for a moment.
Thank you.
That sounded supernatural.
See, it's just like following a small script. Once you memorize the basic lines, you can use them anywhere.
All right, let's do a little mini quiz. Ready, everyone?
Ooh, quiz time.
If you call a company and the person you want to talk to isn't available, what can you say?
Listeners, can you guess? You can say, "Could you please take a message?"
Or, could you please ask him to call me back?
Perfect. That's polite and clear.
Now let's talk about how to be polite on the phone.
Super important. Politeness in English often comes from tone and small words. For example, instead of saying, "Wait," say, "One moment, please."
Or instead of, "Who's this?" say, "May I ask who's calling, please?"
Yes, those soft words like may, could, please, they make a big difference.
And when you need to repeat something, you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that."
Didn't catch that means I didn't hear it clearly. It's super common in phone talk.
All right, Jack, let's do a small exercise for our listeners.
Sure.
I'll say a sentence that sounds too direct, and you make it more polite, okay?
Challenge accepted.
Number 1, give me your email.
Easy. Could you please give me your email address?
Nice. Number 2, wait a minute.
I'd say, just a moment, please.
Perfect. Number 3, who are you?
May I ask who's calling, please?
Excellent. See how much nicer that sounds?
Now, let's talk about another common problem. Understanding people on the phone.
Oh, yes. That's a big one. Sometimes people speak too fast or there's background noise.
Exactly. And that can make learners panic.
So here are some lifesaver phrases. Repeat after me. Sorry, could you speak more slowly, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, I'm sorry, the line is bad. Could you repeat that?
Great. And you can always ask for spelling too. For example, could you spell your name, please?
Let's practice that. Jack, how do you spell your name?
Jack. Easy.
See? Clear communication always helps.
Now, Emma, here's another situation. What if you need to end the call politely?
Ah, yes. Some people just hang up suddenly, and that sounds rude.
True. So what should we say instead?
You can say, "It was nice talking to you," or "Thank you for your time."
Or, I'll talk to you soon? Or, have a great day?
Exactly. Always end with something warm and polite.
Let's do a little phone call summary practice for our listeners.
Okay,
Step 1. Answer the phone politely.
step 2. Introduce yourself clearly.
Step 3. Ask for the person or information you need.
Step 4. Listen carefully and use polite phrases if you need repetition.
Step 5. End the call with a friendly goodbye.
That's it. Just 5 simple steps.
All right, Emma, before we end this part, let's make our listeners repeat some key lines.
Great idea. Friends, say these after us. Good morning. This is Emma speaking.
Hello. May I speak to Mr. Brown, please?
Sorry. Could you speak more slowly, please?
It was nice talking to you.
Have a great day.
Awesome. You all sound like pros now.
Wait, Jack. Before we wrap up, what if someone calls you by mistake?
Oh, good question. You can say, I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Yes, or I'm afraid you've called the wrong person.
Both are polite and natural.
You know, phone English is actually pretty easy once you practice.
True. It's all about confidence and kindness in your voice.
Exactly. People will always remember how you sound, not just what you say.
That's so true, Emma. So friends, remember, your tone matters as much as your words.
And that brings us to our next part, how to sound confident and friendly on the phone. Because even if you use the right words, if your tone sounds nervous, people can misunderstand you.
Yeah, sometimes learners focus so much on grammar that they forget about intonation, how your voice goes up or down.
Exactly. For example, when you say hello, your tone should go slightly up, like hello.
But if your tone goes down too much, it can sound bored or cold, like, hello.
That's so true. Let's try a mini exercise.
Okay, friends, repeat after me. Say this with a happy, friendly tone. Hello, this is Jack speaking.
Now, try saying it again, but this time sound sleepy or tired.
Hello, this is Jack.
See the difference? The words are the same, but the feeling changes completely.
That's why phone calls are all about energy and smile in your voice.
Ooh, I like that. Smile in your voice.
It really works. Even though people can't see you, they can hear when you're smiling.
So before you pick up a call, just take a deep breath and smile. You'll sound more confident right away.
And remember, confidence doesn't mean perfection. You don't need perfect grammar, just clear, polite, and positive communication.
Let's talk about common mistakes people make on the phone.
Oh yes, mistake number 1, speaking too fast.
Definitely. Many learners think fast English equals good English, but actually, slow and clear English is much better.
Exactly. If you speak too fast, you might sound nervous or unclear.
So, pause a little between ideas. For example, good morning. This is Emma from Green Tech. May I speak to Mr. Brown, please?
Nice pacing. Calm and clear.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to listen carefully.
Oh yes, sometimes people are so focused on what they want to say next that they don't listen to the other person.
Listening is half of communication. Always give the other person time to finish their sentence.
And if you're not sure, ask politely. I'm sorry, did you say Tuesday or Thursday?
Perfect example.
Mistake number 3, being too direct.
Yes, in English, especially in polite situations, direct words can sound a bit rude.
Like saying, wait, it's not wrong, but it's too strong.
Instead, say, "1 moment, please," or "just a second."
Or instead of, who are you? You can say, may I ask who's calling?
Exactly. Those small words make you sound kind and professional.
Now let's do a confidence challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, I love this one.
All right, friends, imagine your phone rings right now. You answer confidently and say, good morning, this is Emma speaking.
Or, "Hello, this is Jack. How can I help you?" Great. Now imagine you're calling someone. How do you start?
Hi, may I speak to Mr. Brown, please? This is Jack from the English Twins podcast.
Smooth promotion, Jack.
Always, you never miss a chance to promote your show.
True. But really, that's how you should sound, friendly and confident, not shy or stiff.
Here's another question learners often ask. What if the person doesn't understand your accent?
Ah, yes, that can happen. But don't feel embarrassed. You can calmly say, "Let me spell that for you."
Or, let me repeat that slowly.
The key is don't panic. Communication is teamwork.
Exactly. The other person wants to understand you too. So just stay calm and kind.
Let's share a quick real-life story. Remember that time we called the hotel in London to book a room?
Oh yes, the line was so bad and they couldn't understand my name.
You said, "This is Jack," and the lady said, "Back?"
Yeah, and then she said, Mac?
You kept spelling your name like 5 times.
J as in John, A as in apple, C as in cat, K as in kite.
That's actually a great trick, using example words to spell things.
Right, it's called the spelling alphabet.
So, if you ever need to spell your name or email, use simple example words like that.
Let's practice that with our listeners.
Okay. Friends, imagine your name is Anna. You can say A as in apple, N as in night, N as in night, A as in apple.
Great. Now try it with your real name at home.
This helps the other person understand you clearly, especially on noisy calls.
Okay, now one last thing before we finish. Voicemail messages.
Oh, yes. Many learners are scared of leaving voice messages.
But it's simple. Just follow 3 steps. Who you are, why you're calling, and how they can call you back.
For example, "Hi, this is Emma from the English Twins podcast. I'm calling about your order. Please call me back at 123-456. Thank you."
See? Clear and polite.
And don't forget to speak slowly when saying your phone number.
Yes, repeat it twice if needed. That's what professionals do.
All right, Jack, I think our listeners are ready for phone calls now.
Oh, absolutely. They can handle any situation. Calling a friend, booking a table, or even talking to their boss.
Exactly. And remember, friends, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every call is practice.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
And soon, you'll actually enjoy speaking English on the phone.
Imagine that. No more fear, just friendly chats.
That's the goal.
So, before we say goodbye, let's do one final repeat together. Okay, friends, ready?
Good morning. This is Emma speaking.
Could you please take a message?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
It was nice talking to you.
Have a great day.
Perfect. You sound amazing.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.
This is Emma.
And this is Jack. And you've been listening to the English Twins podcast.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.